Hello guys, and welcome back to our async IO series. In the previous videos we have already fixed issues and bugs with producer and consumer design pattern, and now it's time to enable back our run blocking func, which is effectively runs our face detection code. So first change for this video, I'm going to enable this awaiting async IO sleep. Secondly, we don't need this awaiting here for task 1. We need to create the task 2 from this run blocking func. One thing I have noticed that we don't need this argument, frame argument here, because we are getting the frame from the queue, and that's why I've disabled it, removed it. The one thing that we can, it's not necessary, but for convenience we can add some name for our asynchronous task. Then the remaining things that enable back this async IO wait, which will return from the first completed task. That's it for, I think that's it. Let's just test quickly. Right, let's just fire up our container again and get into it. Running Python main.py, and now it should somehow work, but no, it gets freezed. Let's just check it. Why? I think that it's because our max queue size. Let's just increase it to 100. As we didn't implement any proper queue management for our blocking func, it's okay. It's okay for now. Well, let's just test. Nice. Yeah, it's trying to show both timestamp frames and also this region of interest for our from our face detection and eye detection. But as I've noticed that it's constantly increasing the queue size and not just emptying it, so that's why it's going to freeze after 100 limit reached. So that's why in the next video we need to fix this issue and add proper queue management with our face detection as well. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.